Get excited about the 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. With fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle proves competitive in its price class based on its condition and value. A 4.8-liter V8 engine pairs with a sophisticated 4-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Chevrolet prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by delay-off headlights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, and air conditioning. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.